And next topic is demux. And what is demux? Demux is a combinational circuit, and it is also called as demultiplexer. This is the reverse operation of the multiplexer. Okay. Demux, simply called demux. Normally name is multiplexer. Okay. It is also called as data distributor. Okay, data distributor. Here, this is the reverse operation of the multiplexer. Okay, this is the combinational circuit, and here single input is there and produces the n number of input lines. This is demux. Here also selection lines is there, that is you write down the 2 into 2 by 2 power of n. Here n is indicates the selection lines. Okay, n is indicates the selection lines. Single input and produces the 2 power of n number of outputs and n selection lines. Here demux is the 1 by 2 demux and 1 by 4 demux is there, and 1 by 8 demux and 1 by 16 demux is there. Okay, now I will explain the 1 by 4 demux. Okay, first we draw the block diagram of 1 by 4 demux. This is the demux block diagram 1 by 4. Here the inputs are single input y or f and produces the 4 outputs D0 to D3. This is D0, D1, D2, D3, and here this is 4 is written as 2 square. So 2 selection lines S0 and S1. 2 selection lines, single input and 4 outputs. This is the block diagram of 1 by 4 demux. And next, truth table for demux. Truth table of 1 by 4 demux. Okay, here the inputs are S0 and S1. Okay, the D0 to D3 are the outputs. First you write down the inputs and output. What are the inputs here? S0 and S1. S0 and S1, and outputs are D0, D1, D2 and D3. These are the 4 outputs. If you select the here 2 inputs is there, so 4 combinations. They are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Here 0, 0 is there. So D0 is appears is 1 and remaining all are zeros. And next 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1. 0, 1 is input to the demultiplexer and produces the D1 is appears at 1 and remaining all are zeros. And next 1, 0. 1, 0 is input to the demux and produces the D2 is appears 1 and remaining all are zeros. And next 1 is appears is input to the demux and output is appears D3 is 1. Okay, this is the truth table for demux. Okay, and next see the logic diagram. Logic diagram for 1/4 demux. Okay, here the inputs are S0 and S1. S0 is includes 0 is there, so NOT gate is there. And S1, this is S1 and outputs are D0 to D3. Here S0 S1 is 0 0, so this is 0 and S1 also 0. This is or here the output is D0. And next S2 is 0, S1 is 1, S0 is 0, S1 is 1. This is one line and this is output for D1. And next S0 is 1 and S1 is 0 and this is D2 output. And next D3 1 1, S0 is 1 and S1 is also 1 and this is D3 output. Okay, these are the outputs and these are the outputs and these are the inputs. Okay, this is overall about the 1/4 demultiplexer. Once again I will repeat. Here demultiplexer is a demultiplexer. Here one input and a number of output lines, and n is indicates the two powers. Here n is consider the number of selection lines. Okay.